Hi viewers, this is Abhirambika and I teach sustainable living, and you're watching a series of my videos on how to become a genius and about our program Genius Star. So here today we're going to talk about the right brain and the left brain activities for children. For any child or for any of us, we'll be either right brain oriented or left brain oriented. That's the theory we've been always reading about. So what do you mean by a right brain or the left brain activity? People who are right brain oriented will be more creative. They will have they will be into art, or they will be into few activities very creative in nature. And the ones who are left brain oriented will be more on logical side. They will have critical thinking capabilities, and they will be more numeric oriented, or their communication skills will be very high, and say various things for the left side, left brain oriented people. So when we talk about our program, what we try doing here is we try to do a whole brain development, which means we try to give a right brain person or a creative person a lot of left brain related activities, and for a left brain oriented person we give them a lot of right brain oriented activities. By doing this, what we achieve here is we try to activate both the sides of the brain. So at any point in time, one of the sides will be dominant and the other will be on the higher side. So when at doing any activity, that is how it works. So here what we try and do is we try to teach the child how to balance these two, how to use their creative skills into a logical or a creative thinking, or how to apply visual skills like we saw in the previous video. How one particular student of ours used their visual aids for applying in a mathematical formulae or in a history lesson. So like that, when you try and give the child different methods of applying both the sides of their brain, they are leading a definite path towards becoming a genius. And if just imagine a right-brained person, when they step into a rail station or whatever, when they close their eyes, they can visualize how the train will come and stop, and who are the passengers who are standing, what is the board say, and everything. So they'll be able to picturize the whole image in front of them. They're able to apply this particular skill into a critical thinking, they will definitely excel. So we saw that genius definitely think out of the box. They try to be creative, they try to imagine themselves as different objects or different subjects. Einstein thought he used to travel at the speed of light, and that's how he found out, that's how he became an inventor. And that way, for our children, our students, what we teach them is how to balance these two and how to excel. Another important thing about the right and left brain is we give them activities to use different hands. For example, if I am a right-handed person, I would be doing or trying to do a lot of activities using my left hand, and this vice versa. So when we do this, at one particular time, we excel using both. Like Gandhiji, he used to use both the hands to write, and he at a time he could use both the hands and also write. So that's a skill which comes out of practice, and while doing that, definitely both sides of the brain are activated at the same time. So definitely for our children, there is a lot to learn and a lot of activities awaiting.